Hello everyone. This video we're going to talk about what's an outdoor PoE-Extender. Well, PoE-Extender is what it takes from a power supply equipment, takes the power and data, and it divides into two streams of power and data to two different devices. Just in some situations when we want to add one particular IP device to an already set up network, this would be a good choice. Our fast cabling PoE-Extender is really special. The outdoor version is designed to resist water and dust. Its rating is IP67, so you can directly bury it underground when you're extending it. And other from extending and adding an extra device to our network, we can also extend the network's distance to another 100 meters. Because the IEEE 02.3 standards only allows Ethernet transaction to 100 meters, and the transmission can be boosted up to another 100 meters by adding this to the end of the Ethernet cable we want to extend. So it's pretty handy. And also, the metal casing gives it the ability to resist different temperatures, saying from 0 to 55. It's all workable in this interval, so you don't have to worry about the cold weather or hot weather will make it compromised. And also, it's because of the IEEE 02.3 standards, there will be 30 watts of power distributed out of these two outports to supply the devices on the other end. It's very handy for connecting to any kind of device. And we can daisy chain the network by using multiple extenders, attaching one from the other, and reach a 500 limit for our PoE network. After that, the signal is unpushable to further distance. So it's really handy to install it. I'm going to show you guys. This is our PoE switch, which provides the power for it to extend. And this is a 100-meter Ethernet cable. And now I will connect this with this camera and this wireless access point. I'll show you guys how it's really easy. So when we do it, we have to make sure that we know what we're installing this extender for. Maybe just for distance, or add one extra device for at the end of the Ethernet connection. We should know when we're installing this extender, why are we doing that? It's maybe because we want to extend another device, we want to expand the network system for another 100 meters, or simply sometimes it's hard for us to find a power source in the outside of our house. And an extender doesn't need an extra power source. We can just power it by using the Ethernet cable. The power goes to it. And also maybe sometimes when we need an extender in some place that has hard conditions, maybe wet environment, maybe or somewhere it's really dusty all the time. These are all things that will damage our device. So let me show you how to extend it. Usually there are three these knobs on the extender. They're waterproof knobs. I remove them for my convenience. And we have to know to put these knobs on our Ethernet cable first. So I'll just demonstrate it later. So first let's connect the Ethernet cable to our extender, the import port. So now our input is connected to our PoE switch. The PoE switch will provide power and data to the extender. And now let's just get two short cords. And just a reminder, these can be also another 100-meter Ethernet cable. It will also be able to transmit another 100, just for you guys to know. So let's first attach it to the camera. It will self-charge instantly. So it means this connection is functional. Let's do another one. Connect it to our wireless access device. And you guys can see the indicators are on. So it means this connection is functional as well. So yeah, it's that easy. It's just plug in and everything just runs by itself, and our extender is set up. And just some reminders, when we do this, we have to make sure these are tightly screwed on, because we don't want any water or any dust to go inside. It will compromise the components inside, and we have to repair or replace our extender in that case. And we have to make sure that our edge devices are all PoE compliant, so they can receive the power from the extender, or it will be kind of meaningless sometimes. And that's pretty much it. You guys have to know. If you have any more questions or comments about this, please leave them at the section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.